A threaded black cap is a handy piece of equipment. It allows you to control water flow for pool maintenance activities if you do not have shutoff valves already attached to your system. They can be used to stop water flow from flowing while you are switching out a pump, cleaning out a filter, or changing a hose. We recommend using the Hayward 1022 cap for their quality and dependability. Two of the most common areas to use a black cap is in the skimmer and in the return. When using it in a skimmer, remove all attachments like a vac plate or basket. On the bottom of the skimmer, you'll see a hole with threads. This is where you'll insert the black cap. Place and turn the cap until it is secure. This will prevent water loss as you work. Using a black cap in a return can be trickier. It's important to note that most returns come in multiple pieces that include a ring, an eyeball, and the insert that the ring and eyeball are attached to. These three pieces need to be removed before inserting the cap. It's easy to remove the ring and eyeball. However, the insert can be stubborn and usually requires a wrench or special key designed to remove the return. Once all three pieces are out, simply thread the black cap in and you're set. If you have any questions or concerns about using black caps in your water circulation system, contact your nearest Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.